Good morning, everyone. Today we'll study about 3D, three-dimensional figure, 3D. First is that because this class is so important, you are going to study so many things about 3D figure. First is about cube. I said cube. I see that this is cube and this image. This one is cube. So what is cube? I see that cube is like you have seen so many shape like cube. It is also one shape in which we can play Lido. In that this cube is used, which all length, height, and breadth, each and every face is equal. That is called cube. Suppose if I see that what is called this one is called vertex. Suppose how many vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 8. 8 vertices. These all are vertex. Next one is this one is face. This one is suppose face. Face means which is suppose I will make a cuboid, then you will see that its side is which side this is face and this one is edge and this one is edge, core is edge and this one is face. So if I see that how many face are in this figure, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, how many face? 6 face. There are 6 face. Again, one and back side, one is front side and second is back side, one is upper side and third is upper side, fourth is lower side and this one is this side, fifth and sixth is that side, if right side and left side. That means how many faces are? Face equal to 6. Now its edge. Edge means this is core. Core is called edge. GS. Edge is. So I see that 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. How many edges are? 12. 12 edges. I see that there are 6 faces in a cube and 8 vertices are in a cube and 12 edges in a cube. So now if I see that each and every height is same, suppose this one is height, then it is also a, and if I will talk about its breadth, it's also a, and its length is also a. If I will see that if I cut, suppose this one is a breadth, this one is height, and this one is length. If I cut like this shape, then I will say that it's a square. How many square will we find out? This one we 1, that means 1. And if I will multiply with height into breadth, then its power will be 3. If I will say that volume of cube, volume of cube equal to a cube, volume of cube equal to a, a cube. So what means of volume? Volume means capacity of holding anything in the figure. Suppose I have one substance which shape is like cube. That means in cube how much water can be hold, how much water can be hold in this figure, that is called cube, volume of cube. So if I will find out its value will be a cube. Suppose one face is given 4 centimeter, then what will be volume of this figure, this cube? So I know volume of cube equal to a cube. Then if I replace a equal to side, a equal to side of cube, that means a equal to side of cube. If one side is given 4 centimeter, one side is given 4 centimeter, then what will be value? That means q means 4 centimeter cross 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. If I will multiply, it will be 16, it will be 64 centimeter cube. Volume of cube equal to 64 centimeter. Next, about surface area. So what will means of surface area is also lateral area and of cube. Total surface area, lateral surface area. Total surface area means volume of length. If I will see that all area of this cube, upper side, if I will see that its upper part is like a square, if I will find out square value, then I will see that it is 6a square. Because it is suppose rectangle shape, then I will multiply area of rectangle, area of rectangle is equal to a length into breadth. Length is a and breadth is also b, so it will be a square. If there are six figure, six face, so I will find out six face value. 1 square plus a square plus a square, a square, a square, 2 3 4 5 plus 6 square. That means if I have 6 face, then I will find out, I will add, then it total surface area will be of cube will be 6a square. If I have to find out only 4 lateral, yeah, lateral surface area of cube means, lateral surface area means if I will leave upper part and upper and down part, that's means top and bottom. If I will leave, suppose I have one room, I have to see that how many faces in a room. If you stand in a room, then you will realize that this room is also a cube. Suppose if neglecting window, if I don't see that window and door is neglect, then these types of wall is, so one phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, and fifth and sixth, because one is ground level and next is ceiling. So there are six phases. The total area is 6. If I will say that count its total area, then I will suppose this one, this wall is also in shape of a square, then I will multiply with length and breadth, because length and breadth is same, that's its value is a into a, its value a square. If I know that its length, its area is 6, if one wall's area is a square, I have 6 area. That means how many? I have 6 area. So that's if I will add 6 a into a plus dot dot 6a, that means I have 6 area, that is total area is 6. It is called total surface area of cube. If I will leave, if I leave ceiling and ground level, then only I have fourth area. If I have fourth area a square, so this one is called lateral surface area of cube equal to 4a square, because it has only 6 face. I need to paint only 4 wall, so that's 4 wall is called lateral surface area. And if I need to cover upper part and down parts, so it has 6 face to cover, so this is called total surface area. If I know lateral lateral surface area equal to 4a square. Why I told you that? Because I have to paint only 4 wall, that's it is called 4a square. If 4 is given, one side is given, then what will be lateral surface area of this one? If since lateral lateral surface area of cube, because I, so lateral surface area of cube equal to 4a square. If I will replace the value a instead of a, 4 centimeter square, then it will be 4 cross 4 centimeter cross 4 centimeter, that means 64 centimeter square. So this types, if this one is given, then I will find out its lateral surface area. If question is saying to find out its total surface area, then how I will find out total surface area equal to 6 into a square. If I know that total total surface area equal to 6a, 6 into a, yeah, I will replace the value 4 centimeter, that means 6 into 16 centimeter square, 96 centimeter square, its surface area will be of this cube. So by this process we can find out so many different types of cube, value of surface area, lateral surface area and volume. So I studied about cube. Now next is cuboid. Now is cuboid. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. I will repeat. If you understand, then I need to study about next thing. If you have any doubt related of these types of questions, I'm ready to explain again. So next is, what is cuboid? Cuboid. So if in cuboid, it is same, but its length and breadth and height, both three things are different. Suppose this one, it is cuboid. This is cuboid. In cuboid, what I see that same thing. I have one figure, one image. You may understand about these all things. This one is face, age, height, and breadth. If I will say that length, this one is length, and this one is height, and this one is breadth. Length, height. So this one is called, height is called h, and l length is called l, and breadth is b. So I will say that there are also 8 vertex in this figure 2, and face 6 face and 12 edge are same in the cuboid 2. So now same things, I need to find out volume of this cuboid. Then I need to multiply length, width, and height. Then I will find out its volume of cuboid equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. This one is volume of cuboid. If H length is given, length equal to 6, and breadth is given 2 centimeter, and this height is given equal to 4 centimeter, then what will be volume of this cuboid? So volume of cuboid equal to, if I will replace all the value, 6 centimeter cross L, B is this one, B equal to breadth is 2 centimeter, and this one is 4 centimeter, then what will the value? 48 centimeter cube. It will be volume. And next one is surface area. And surface area means, I already told that I need to find out surface area. It means this wall, height, and breadth. Suppose I see that if this one is a one wall of this one, so this one is L, sorry, H, and this one is L. If I will see that frontal side will be equal, it will be have equal length, because I see that this one is breadth, one face, one face, and two face. So if I will find out its face, and next one is this one, so it will lateral, lateral surface area equal to lateral surface area equal to h h plus l, its backside. Same thing is opposite side, it will also h l. Next one is b and h, and next one is b plus h. If I will see that, then how many 2hl plus 2bh? If I will say that, if h is common and 2 is common in both of them, then I need to find out h into 2h plus l plus b. By this I can find out its lateral surface area of cube. Lateral means only 4 side. Next, suppose I have this formula, lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 in 2h into l plus b. If h is given, example, suppose h is given and the the lateral surface area of cuboid equal to, what will be lateral surface area of cuboid equal to 2 into h plus lb. This one is lateral surface area of cuboid. Now I need to replace the value of these all things. H 4 centimeter into L 6 centimeter plus B 2 centimeter. Then it one will be 2 into 4 cm cross 6 plus 2 8 centimeter. Now its value is 8 centimeter cross 8 centimeter. That means 64 centimeter square will be value of this lateral surface area of cuboid. So by this process I can also find out its value of cuboid. There are so many questions are also asked related of cuboid. So basically you have to know, sometimes it will say that lateral surface area is given and L is given and breadth is given, find out its height. That means three things. I need to find out three things to lateral surface area. Always three things will be given, one things will be missed, and we will say that find out that missing value. Then I will find out missing value by this process. Instead of, if lateral surface area is given, I will put the value of lateral surface at the formula and I will replace the value each one of everything, and which thing is missing I will leave that. Then if after that if I will solve, then we will get that its value is will come out. This is process. Sometimes also it is said that if one man is painting walls, how much money will be spent if 1 centimeter area is painted for suppose 100 rupees. 1 centimeter cost painting is 100 rupees. If I have this much, then how much money I need to pay, I need to multiply. This is all our simple process. So basically things, this is process to know. If you know that, that means your confusion will be removed. So this all are process to know. Next one is total surface area. So total surface area, how I will find out is value of cuboid. Total surface area, that means I need to find out each and every figure. Suppose I will say that how many face, I have 6. First I need to find out its area. Next first I will find out its area. Then in this I will see that there is height, and this one is breadth. I will multiply uh, total total surface area of cuboid equal to, first if I will find out, look in the figure, it is saying that L, and this, suppose this one is what, this one will be L, length and height. If I will cut this one and if less, then I will see that it is in the far, then it is L into H into B. Next one is, if upper part is given, upper part, that means it is L, L into, if I will cut that, I will see that it is length, and this one is breadth, L into B. And next one is same same things. I will see that again it is given B into H plus L into H, L into H plus L into B into plus L into H. By this steps, if I'll see that, I need to find out its a length and breadth. Again, it's a length, breadth, and height. That means I will see that I need to find 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I will add, then it will be, say that 6 1, then it will be 2 into L into B, B into H plus L into H. 2. So this figure, I see that LB1, LB2, LH1, and BH2. So by this process, you'll see that 2 into L plus B, B into H plus L into H. If I will replace the value, so this is formula of cuboid. By this process, I can find out its value. If example, if I will replace the value total surface area of cuboid equal to what, 2 into L plus B, B plus H plus L plus L into H. If I will replace the value, these all things, then I will see that length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Again, breadth is 2 centimeter and length is, height is 4 centimeter. Again, length is 6 centimeter cross and the height is 4 centimeter. If I will solve, then I will say that 6 2 ja 12 centimeter square plus 4 2 ja 8 centimeter square, and next one is 4 6 ja 24 centimeter square. If I will add 20 plus 24. This one is 44 centimeter square. If I will again multiply with 2, then it will be 88 centimeter square. So by this process I can find out the value of cuboid surface area, total surface area, and volume. So next one is I will study about cylinder. So if I will see that there are so many types of figure will be come in your mind. So what is cylinder? Cylinder is, suppose this one is also shape of cylinder which you are looking. So next one is cylinder. So I would have figure like this one. This one will be in shape of cylinder. Then I will see that suppose if I have one image, suppose this one is form of cylinder and this one is covered upper side and lower side, like as if I would have any types of bucket, in that paint bucket is and there are some things that is material is coming in a bottle, in which I'll see that both side is covered with a top and upper side is same thing is here. So in this what I see that if I know that if I have 1 rupees coin, this one is shape of circle, so I know this one would be related to a circle. So related of circles I need to solve this or question. Suppose I have this coin, so this coin is looking like as circle. If there are so many coins are put one by one, then in this we'll see that there is height will be come out. So if I will multiply with area of circle with the height, area of circle is what? Pi r square. If it's money, it's coin, its coin area, its coin area is pi r square. If I put so many coin one by one, then I will see that it would have height. So if I will multiply with height with area of circle, that means it will be volume of cylinder. So you would have seen glass. Glass is also example of cylinder. That means cylinder volume is that how much volume of cylinder means what, how much water can be stored in this glass, and what is capacity to store of water in the glass, that is called what, volume, volume of this cylinder. So what I see that if I multiply with area of circle with height. If I multiply in area of circle with height, that it will be volume of cylinder. So it's easy to understand, it's easy to know. Suppose I have this one, suppose it means it is EPD. So how much water can be stored in the bucket, in this bucket? That means this is, so it will have, if I will cut this upper side, that means it will be what, area, it will look like a circle, and both sides same circles would be, it's happened. So this one, suppose I have this one is covered like this, and its height is, if I will see that it is circle, there are two circles can be upper parts and lower parts like this. So one is another circle, and second is an upper part circle, and next one is down part circles, like I have cut this, and it will be in this form. So I say that volume means how much water can be stored in the pot, in this bucket. So this one is capacity, the holding of capacity of anything, that is called volume. Next one is surface area. What is volume means, if anyone will say that what will be volume, then I need to say that pi r squared, because if I multiply with area of circle with h, if in area of circle is multiplied with h, its volume of cylinder is come out. Suppose h, I know that it is h, and you also very familiar with a radius. So this one is radius of cylinder is r, okay, and h equal to, suppose r is equal to 7, h equal to 10. So next, if I would have to say that find out the volume of cylinder, then really I will find out these things very easily, if replacing the value of each and everything in the formula, then I will find out. So suppose I going to put the value volume of cylinder, equal to what is pi. Pi is always 22 by 7 equal to pi. Sometimes pi value is also given 3.14, but it is if question is saying that you have to find out, you have to take this one value, then I will replace, I will put the value of pi instead of these all things. Then if a question is not saying question, there is no condition of question, then I would like to find put this value, this one. So this one is 22 by 7 cross r is 7 square, 7 centimeter square, and 10 is height. So if I solve this one question, I solve this one question like 22 by 7 cross 7 centimeter cross 7 centimeter cross 10 centimeter. Then it will be 1 centimeter. Then this one is 22 cross 1 centimeter cross 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. If I will multiply 22 cross 1, then it will be 22. Again 22 is multiplied with 7, then it will be 154 centimeter. 154 is multiplied with 10, it will be 1540. So it means 15 14 40, 15 and 40, and centimeter, 1 centimeter and 2 and third, that means centimeter cube. Its volume of cylinder is 140 centimeter cube. So by this process, you can find out any types of cylinder. Cylinder means sometimes it is also that if there is a pillar of your building and its pillar height is given, and you can find out also if you don't know about its radius, then need to know about its circumference. If I know that its circumference is this, then by easy, 2 pi r equal to, this one is circumference. Instead of circumference, if I know that it is like that 30 centimeter, 60 centimeter, and 100 centimeter, and I will put the value at the circumference of circles, and from there I can find out its radius. If radius is given and height is, I will measure how much its height is, how long it is, then I will see that it is height. And by this formula I can know that it's volume. So next one is lateral surface area, either lateral other curved surface area of cylinder. So let's understand about lateral surface area and curved surface area, both are same. So what is lateral lateral surface area of slender equal to what? Suppose I told you already, if this one is like cylinder, if I cut this one and I will remove its base area of circle, if part is removed from here, then it will be like this one is here and upper part is like here, and I would have like this one is replaced here, this one is instead of it. I see that this shape is in this form because it was before it, and I cut it was in a cylinder for rolling, as in the form of roll, and now I cut in middle side like this one will be in this form. So I see that its length and height. So length means what will be, it is in the form of circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is circumference of circle. If lateral surface area means I need to not include both of circle, only upper side. If you would have seen pillar in your building, either in temple, round side, in round shape, that is a cylinder. If suppose I would have to say to paint of one pillar, then what I do, I only paint rounded side, I don't paint on the top and bottom, only I round all side. That means this one all side is called only, not upper side and lower part, only this one. If I will someone say that paint this one pillar, then only I use brush on upper part, upper layer like this. So this one is called only what, lateral surface area, other curved surface area, leaving upper part and down part, this one is called lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means if I multiply in circumference of circle with a height, so this one will called lateral surface area, 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r is equal to lateral surface area of cylinder. So now same things, if I need to find out then I will put the value lateral surface area, lateral surface area of cylinder equal to what is 2 pi r h. If I put the value 2 into 2 by 22 by 7 cross r is 7 centimeter, I need to write centimeter, 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So 7 will cancel, 22 cross 1 centimeter cross 10 centimeter. Now it is 44 centimeter, 44 cross 1 centimeter cross 10 centimeter. Now if 44 is multiplied with 1, it will be 44. Again 44 is multiplied with 10, it will be 440 centimeter square. So it one is literal surface area of cylinder. Lateral surface area of cylinder. Next one is total surface area. So next one is total surface area of cylinder. So next one is total surface area of cylinder. Suppose I have this one, that means I know if its lateral surface area is already 2 pi r h is a lateral surface area. If I have upper part, I need to paint it upper part and lower part too. If I have one roller, I need to paint this one and this one too. Then I know that its area is pi r square. Then I will need to include pi r square, because someone is labor is coming at your home and there is a low roller which is used for making pitch for cricket, to rolling that. So, and sometimes on for the road, and someone say that it is drum is also, you would have seen that. And someone say that paint drum all the side. Then painter is coming and saying that painter knowing very well about its area, how to find out its area. Painter say that first I paint its lateral surface area, okay. Next one, I also paint upper side in which drum upper side. Then painter says if this one is also a circle, so its area is pi r square, okay. Next, lateral surface area, okay. And third one is upper side, because there is also one a figure like a circle, so I also painted pot side, top side. So there are two circle, so I need to write 2 pi r square, and this one is 2 pi r h. If I need to comma, take common, 2 pi r taken common, then there will be one r will be left, and in this h will be left inside. So this one is total surface area. It is total surface area of cylinder. So total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So by this process you can I say that it is also one circle upper part and this one is lower part. There is two circle is formed, that's I write area of two circles, and this one is lateral surface area. So I don't think there is problem to understand. So if same, if I replace the value of h and this one, the it will be find out value total work is happened. So this one is total surface area of cylinder. If total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. If I will replace the value 2 into 22 by 7 cross r is 7 centimeter, again 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, then it one is cancelled. It's 1 22 cross 22 1 centimeter cross this one is 17 centimeter. So this is 44 centimeter cross 17 centimeter, and if we will multiply 17 4 4 8 4 and 7, so this one will be 748 centimeter square. So this one is total surface area of cylinder. So now next I will study about cone. So cone. So I hope that you all are getting these all things. So if suppose next one is about what is circle. Cone. Cone means cone is what? If I cut this one like from here and here, it will be in this form like this one. So this one will in the form of cone, and same things is here, only I cut its height, then this one will be, and height will be now in it is also height. So this one is called r is radius, it is given 7 centimeter, this one is 7 centimeter. Now this one is l, so l is, instead of it I can also write this one. So this one is called l. L is slant height, this one is slant height. H and l, suppose h is not given, l is not given, only h is given, then how I will find out its h? Then h equal to, because this is like a right angle triangle, so in right triangle I will use Pythagoras theorem. H equal to L equal to H square plus R square. Then means L equal to R square plus H square is a value of L, slant height. So some in question, if 10, 4 and 5, 4, 5, ग्यारह, 4, 5, 3, 9, 16, 24. Suppose its height is 4 centimeter and R is 3 centimeter is given. This one is, I said this is formula of finding. Suppose H is given 4 centimeter and R is given 3 centimeter. Then how I will find out its L? L means slant height. Slant height. So slant, it is always like this in form. Leave it. Okay. This one is slant height. So how I will find out? So I know L equal to H. H is 4 centimeter square plus 3 centimeter square centimeter. Then it is 16 centimeter square. Now this is 9 centimeter square. Then its value will be 25 centimeter square. If root of 25 centimeter equal to this one is a 5 centimeter, so it will be 5 centimeter of slant height. So now first I need to know how to find out its volume. I totally say that in a cylinder it is come out. So if I will, if I say that it was in the figure like this one, this one is cylinder, it is cutting, it is cut. So if I divide area of cylinder is pi r square h, if I divide by 3, then it will look like 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So this one is area of cone. If I divide area of cylinder with a 3, that's equal to area of, sorry, volume of cone. So if I divide in volume of, in volume, if I divide with 3 volume, in volume of cylinder, then its volume of cone value will be come out. So now if volume of cone, volume of cone equal to total volume of cylinder divide by 3. So volume of cylinder is divided by 3, that's its value will be like volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Same things, if pi r square h is given, I need to find out its volume. If h is not given, only L is given, then by this formula, Pythagoras theorem formula, I will find out the volume of. So now H is given. Next one is, what is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is, that means this one is, if sometimes I put birthday party cap like a cone, triangle, and sometimes I also eat This one is also like a cone, but in this will not get very good way. Suppose an ice cream cone is like as also cone, so I don't include it's a, this one part. So this only upper part is called upper. Suppose someone will say that paint it's cone birthday party cap, then what will do that only you paint upper side, will not paint bottom. So upper part is only called lateral surface area, curved surface area. So this one is volume of cylinder. If I will put the value 1 by 3, then you will say that its values come out. Next is surface lateral, other surface, lateral surface area of cone equal to, so what is lateral surface area is pi r, pi r l. This one is lateral surface area. This one is pi r l. So if I will put the value lateral surface area, lateral lateral surface area equal to what is 22 by cross r is 3 centimeter and l is 5 centimeter, then its value will be 66 centimeter cross 5 centimeter by 7, it will be 30 and 33 centimeter square by 7, its value will be, that means it is lateral surface area of cone. So next is total surface area. In total surface area only this one, only this part will be included, that means area of cylinder circle will be included, only area of circle will be included in lateral surface area, then total surface area will be cone will be find out. Suppose I know that its lateral surface area is pi rl. If I know that area area of circle equal to what, pi r square. If pi r square is added with lateral surface area, then it will be total surface area of cone. So total surface area of cone equal to total surface area of cone equal to pi r l plus pi r square. Only this one is added, and then I see that pi r l is taken common, then l plus r, this one is show total surface area equal to 22 by 7 cross r is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter plus l is 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, then this one is 3 and 22 by 7 cross 3 centimeter cross 8 centimeter. So now 36 centimeter cross 8 centimeter by 7, it will be 52, that means 580 centi 528 by 7 centimeter square. This one is total surface area of cone. So by this figure we understood about related these all things. Next one is a sphere. So a sphere is what? So so now is a sphere. So what is means of a sphere? Suppose I have ball, like, so a sphere means not a circle. Circle is have not height. In circle we cannot hold anything. A sphere means like this. This one is ball. Ball is like this one, and this one is called a sphere, and this one is like a sphere. So a sphere is a ball in that I know if a sphere is 4 by 3 into pi r q, its volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 as sphere. So volume of a sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r q. It is a sphere. So if I will see that area, lateral surface area of, that means it is 4. 4 is multiplied. 4 is multiplied with pi r squared. After that, its lateral others total surface area is of cube. If this one is volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So next, if r is, suppose in a sphere, I will see that it is in the figure, I will make that it will like this one. By distance formula, if I will use, and I will see that, suppose I have this one figure, in figure this one is cut like this. So this one is called radius. This one is called radius. Like as a cucumber, sometimes I cut, and you see that it is part of cucumber. Not here. Watermelon. What is watermelon? This one is watermelon is cut off in the form of like a cake is cut. Same types if I cut a watermelon, then I will see that it is a, in radius is, actual radius is same. So radius is suppose 7 centimeter, something anything. So I need to find out its volume of, then I will replace the value 4 by 3 cross 22 by 7 by r is given 7 cross 7 cross 7. That means 2r will be replaced 4 by 3 into 22 cross 1 centimeter cross 7 centimeter cross 7. Then it will be 88 centimeter cross 49 centimeter. 7 7 ja 49 by 3. If I will multiply 88 by 19, 72, 7 plus 9, 79, 30, it will be 2, 7, 8, 3. That's it will be value of 3872 by 3 centimeter. Its one is centimeter square centimeter cube. This one is to volume of sphere. Next one is lateral surface area. Total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. This one is 4 pi r square. Lateral 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 surface area of S lateral surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. It's 4 pi square. This one is, if same things I will replace the value, then we'll see that it is value of 12 surface literal surface area. Next one is hemisphere. Hemisphere means if a sphere is cut in two equal part, that is called hemisphere. Suppose volume of a sphere is cut in the form of, then we will divide hemisphere sphere equal to what is, suppose I cut this ball in half and shape, then it will be like, look like this. One is like that. Hemisphere is, it says volume, hemisphere volume equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. This one is hemisphere. If I will and hemisphere lateral surface area equal to hemi sp equal to means, I know that total lateral surface area of full sphere is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. Only this one, not, I'm not including this one, and we divide this one, that it will be 2 pi r square. If total surface area of hemisphere is also added, that means this one area is added. That means if I will add pi r square in this one lateral surface area, 2 pi r square, and if I add 3 pi, sorry, pi r square this one area, then it will be 3 pi r square of literal total total surface area of total surface area of hemi hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. This one, these types of, and only if you are putting the value you will get these all things. So I hope that, and this video is so important to everyone, and everyone have to watch these videos and will get lots of benefit. As if I told same videos, if you are coming, you are watching, and in class, offline class is also important for all of you, and off online class is also. If you have any doubt later on in these videos, you must have to send message, you can comment, you can share the videos if you are getting benefit, and I will also benefit it. So this is requirement, because we always say that we all are living in a difficult world. So that reason we need to cooperate to each other. If you are cooperating each other and you are giving company each other, that's really your problem will be reduced and it will help each one. So thanks a lot to watch this movies videos, all of you. Thanks.